Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's Saturday. That's right. Happy Saturday. Hello, hi. So today I'm going to be filming a huge get ready with me. Like, I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna do a hair treatment, all of the good stuff. Kind of want to glam up a little bit tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. We're just going for dinner as a family. I do need to shower, blow dry, curl, do everything to my hair. I curled my hair a bit yesterday, so I probably will have to bring a hair treatment into the shower with me. The hair treatment that I'm using is the Ouai treatment mask. This is finally going to be launching at Sephora in tube form, not this tiny tube, but a bigger tube. So as soon as my shower is done, I'm going to be back to show you guys how I do my hair. Okay, so I just finished showering. Now I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to do hair first and then skincare. So for hair, I'm going to be using 3 products. Because I am going to be putting heat on my hair, I want to make sure that I protect it as much as possible. Yeah, so this is the volume spray. I'm just going to spray this all over my roots. I want my roots and my hair to have as much volume as possible. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to seal my hair with the Ouai hair oil that I mentioned in my December favorites video. So I just put a few pumps of that, warm it up in my hands, and then just really spread it along my ends. I want my ends to have as much protection and love as possible. I don't like when my ends get dry, especially as my hair is starting to get longer. That means it's starting to tangle up in the back. Okay, so now that my hair has been oiled, I'm just going to put a bit of leave-in conditioner, which is actually running out, so I'm gonna buy another bottle as soon as it does. Pretty good though, this has lasted me a really long time. That is how I'm doing my hair, so now I'm going to show you how I prep my skin before I go and blow dry my hair. For my skin, I'm going to tone it with the enriched Balancing Force Control Toner. I have to stop overbuying because I want to ensure, I've been seeing it all over Instagram. It's something called Hit the Pan 2019 or 2018. And it's just all about people really using their products, and I think that's something that, you know, I'm a consumer, so I'm trying to buy everything and try everything out, but the trial sizes I think are good enough for me to see whether or not something is really worth it. Before committing to all the glow recipe stuff, I did purchase the smaller stuff, that's what I got for Christmas, because I wanted to ensure that the product was going to be right for my skin. I'm happy I did because it's good, it's pretty good, it's just not something that I would have wanted the larger sizes in. Okay, so now that my face is toned, I'm going to go in with a spritz of the badescu facial spray. And now I'm going to put some eye cream on, especially because I'm going to be concealing tonight, so I want to give my eye bags some extra moisture. That's the thing about, you know, skincare in the wintertime. Our skin gets so dry. It goes from one extreme to another, being greasy and oily the whole summer to dry in the winter, so I'm trying to make it as important as possible to really moisturize my skin. And that's where the jet lag mask comes to play from the Summer Fridays. You know what? This is definitely something that I am going to invest in the bigger bottle when this runs out, because prior to doing my makeup, this is the most moisturizing mask on the planet. I do wipe it off though, because I don't like too much to sit on my skin, but while I'm doing my hair or while I'm just, you know, relaxing at home before I know I have to put my tinted moisturizer on and go out, I really like to leave this on my skin so my skin can absorb as much of the moisture as possible. Okay, so I just did my skin. I'm gonna go blow dry my hair now, and when I come back, we will jump right into makeup, and hopefully I'll know what I'm wearing by then. Okay, so now that my hair is done and it has been sprayed with the Ouai texturing hairspray, I'm gonna go and start with the base of my face. So to start, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown primer. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And just to add a little bit of light onto my face, I'm going to use the MAC Strobe Cream, and I have the shade Pink Light. So for foundation, which is something I haven't worn in a really long time, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation. This is actually good for me to mix in with my tinted moisturizer because right now my tinted moisturizer is a little too light. Sorry, my tinted moisturizer is a little too dark for my face. Now I'm going to blend that in with a brush and then with a sponge. This actually is a really nice sheer foundation, and the strobe cream looks really good underneath it. Okay, so now that it's all blended, I'm going to go in with my Becca Aqua Luminous Concealer. I need to get a concealer that is full coverage but not drying. I think I'm going to try the NARS one, maybe buy the smaller size. I have a lot of friends that really like that one and the Born This Way concealer as well as their foundation. But right now my foundation drawer is full, and the rule is I have to empty out one before I get another. But everything right now actually looks really, really good. I'm a huge fan of this. So I'm just going to set my under eyes so they don't crease, and then I'm going to move on to contour. To set it, I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder. So just a quick little brush in. Now I can contour, and to contour I just use the Clinique Chubby Stick and I apply it on the apples so that I can build a bit of a higher cheekbone. Great. So now I can set under my contour and around my face, because then I'm going to go over it with some contour powder, but for now I'm just going to seal my face with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. Even with this powder and the strobe cream underneath, everything still looks really illuminated. And to contour, I'm going to use the butter bronzer just for the top, just to set the powder at the top. And then I just bring it a little bit down to my neck and underneath. It's done. I'm going to set my face and put the highlighter on so I can move on to my eyes. I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And while my face still is a little bit damp, I like to put my highlighter on top, and just using a bobbi brown brush, just touch up my highlight with the Holmes palette from Smashbox. So now that my face makeup is set, I'm going to move on to my eyes. So I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up with a bit of the Glossier Boy Brow. It's the only filler I really put on my eyebrows. I'm going to put some eyeshadow primer on, using the Urban Decay eye primer, just to put on my lids. I'm probably just going to do a bronzy look and a nude lip. I was going to go in for a pink lip, but I feel like because I'm wearing majority cream colors, that a nude lip would look kind of nice. Now I'm just going to set it with my Charlotte Tilbury powder once more. And the brush I'm going to be using is a Morphe M441 brush for majority of my eyeshadow. As much as I love a cream routine, I think the best thing to do is to always just set everything. But I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. Just a little wing. I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Serum. And then for mascara, I'm going to use the Glossier Lash Slick that is in desperate need of a new one. So I have a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London, a NYX lip liner in Nutmeg, and an Annabelle lip liner in Buff. So I'm going to go over my lips with Buff first. I forgot how much I missed this shade. So this is my finished look, and now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to wear on my feet and what kind of jacket. It's pretty mild outside, so I don't have to actually dress like for winter. Thank God. So I'm wearing my Forever 21 jacket with this Zara knit sweater, Forever 21 belt. These pants are from, I think, Anthropology or Free People, and these are Anne Demille Meester boots. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and have a fantastic evening. Thanks. Bye.